Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and don't miss any new content or any updates that I have to offer. All right, and for those of you who are already loyal followers, thank you again so much for the follow and the likes. I can't do what I do without you, so let's build this empire together. All right guys, so with it being near Valentine's Day, I actually wanted to show you what my hubby got me, well, part of my gift anyway. Now, for those of you who are new here, I do also have some of these subscription boxes that I unbox for you and show you products. I do subscribe to Sephora Play or Play by Sephora, or however they want to advertise it. Now, in the past, I was actually really surprised that Sephora themselves, they have their own makeup line, the Sephora collection, and that hasn't been featured in their subscription box. So I was really surprised because I wanted to try out more of the Sephora brand itself, and that's kind of what I had expected, at least to be included in there, maybe, you know, one product a month or one product every other month, something like that. So I was talking with my hubby, and he remembered, and he actually got me this, and I'm really excited to show you. We're gonna unbox it now. It is the, I don't even know, Sephora Once Upon a Night palette. So it's this big old thing here. And it says, well, let's read the front first and we'll read the back because there is text all over this box. All right, so the front says Sephora Once Upon a Night palette. 130, I'm gonna say that again, 130, 130. Color makeup palette, 78 eyeshadows, 24 lip glosses, 6 blushes, 6 bronzers and highlights, 4 brow powders, because we all know I'm missing my brows, 12 cream eyeliners, and 2 exclusive tutorials, as well 2 new holographic shades. So reading the back of the box, it says here, you guys can see that it is covered in text. Get ready for a magical experience in the world of colors. Let yourself be enchanted by this sweet owl and discover, oh, it's an owl. Okay, anyway. By this sweet little owl and discover this 130 shade palette that will keep you bright, that will keep the bright magic going throughout the holiday season. Contains a perfect selection of textures and effects, matte, satin, or shimmer, to enchant your complexion, your eyes, your brows, and your lips. Discover our 2 exclusive holographic tones for a non-stop glow. That's what I like to hear. So, okay, I'll be honest, I sort of already unboxed this because it did come with some packaging on the inside and I just kind of wanted to get rid of it, so I wasn't fussing with it on camera. So my initial reaction to this is, I honest to God didn't even realize it was supposed to be an owl, even though there's owls all over the box, and suddenly I feel like a ding dong. I thought it was a cat. With these little points, I really thought like, oh, it's supposed to be like a little elongated, like chubby cat. Like, okay, cool. No, it's an owl, and suddenly that makes a lot more sense. Anyway, so you can see here on the front, we do have this shiny, glossy blue. It's a darker blue with the gold writing and the stars with Sephora's logo across the top. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. It does have a little lip here. Ooh, 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 ooh. And again, we have the nice little mirror here, some more text down here about the products. The products themselves did also come with a little plasticky cover, which is good, so we know it's new. All right. We do have here at the top several different shades. Let's go ahead and get that. Let's see if we can get this closer. This, you guys can see it. So we have a lot of different tones here to work with. There we go. You can see my ring light. Clear has the blushes, bronzers, highlighters, cream eyeliners, and brow powders. I don't think you quite heard me. I don't think you quite heard me. That's the top layer. So let's go ahead and open up these little side guys right here. And look at that. So now we have 3 additional layers, not only on the left side, but on the right side as well. So you see that we have all kinds of shades every which way under the sun here. All right, so on the left side of the palette, we have eyeshadows and lip glosses. So it looks like we have a lot of nudes. I do see some shimmers. We have also a lot of smoky colors here. I'm actually really curious to try some of these white or gray shades. I'm always looking for a good bright, stark white for highlighting purposes. Again, we have some nice shades of lip glosses here, so I would be glad to try that out. Now, over on the other side, we also have eyeshadows and more lip glosses, but as you can see, these are gonna be the more vibrant colors. So I do like that they are separated, so you know if you want a more bright pops of color, go to this side. You don't have to go searching what side are the blues on, what side are these on. It's either gonna be your more nudes and smoky colors or your vibrants. So that's cool. But again, overall, I feel like this does have some weight to it. It is pretty, it's not super heavy, but it's a good amount of weight for the product. So it's not too, I mean, it is kind of thick. It is odd shaped, so it might be hard to find an actual makeup case that would fit something of this shape, but it's not too heavy to where you can't take it with you and lug it around all the time. So I do like it, and I am very curious to actually swatch some of these products in the near future. All right, guys, so with that, if you can find this, again, I will link the product below. We did get it from, I believe, the Sephora website itself. But again, I will link where I can find it below, so you guys can go ahead and check that out for you, especially if you're wanting to try just kind of a smattering of the Sephora collection products. This one would definitely be for you. All right, guys, so take care, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Take care, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.